Or hang up. Okay. Work with me. I love rogue gliding. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, sweet giggle for the holidays. How have you guys been doing this wonderful, beautiful day? It's Monday today, and I feel like Mondays suck. But you know what? It's okay, because you're not going to be watching this on a Monday. So anyways, you guys, how are you guys doing this wonderful... No, I already said that. What the fuck? Today's video is going to be following a Kim Kardashian contour and highlighting tutorial that Mario Devanovic, I think that's how you say his last name, Mario, sexy daddy of the universe, did on her. And I thought it'd be super, super fun. And today's video is also special because it is sponsored by DERMABLEND. I partnered with them in this video for their illuminating banana powder. You guys, this powder, it feels like silk and babies in a good way. So a huge shout out to DERMABLEND for partnering me in today's video. Thank you so much for partnering with me. I'm so excited to do it. But yeah, today's video is going to be a fun one. I love trying to do following along videos because I think it's really fun to see like if someone's doing a tutorial or someone's trying to learn. The last one I did like that was similar to this was when I followed Kylie's Vogue routine, which was super, super, super fun to do. And I thought it turned out pretty darn good. I'm so blushed the fuck up today. So that's what we're gonna be doing today's video. I'm gonna try to be like Kim K-ish, you know? And honestly, it's a little hard because, you know, I don't have her face or her money or her beauty or her, you know, body. But we'll get there with makeup. But anyways, you guys, as always, if you guys don't like this video, if you guys do not like me, please don't fucking watch it. You know the drill with that. But if you guys do like this video, please go and give it a thumbs up and a subscribe and a what's up and a hola mijita chiquita misecita. I'm so happy you guys liked my Spanish video, by the way. Oh, that made me so happy because I, you know, can't speak Spanish, so that's like really the fun part about it. Yeah. I want to do another one. I don't know when yet, but I want to do another. So let's get started. Let's get started. Who does that? Ro, Nerdy Nummies. I'm coming for your bread. Okay, let's go ahead and pull up Miss Kim Kardashian. She's fine. Give me one siakya. Imagine I talk like that all the time. Give me one siakya.
So Mario won't let me speak during my tutorial if he wants to do the introduction, so take it away.
I have more authority in my voice. Hey guys, Makeup America.
Oh, he's so, like, he knows he's fine.
Modern day beauty icon herself, Kim Kardashian.
He knows he's fucking fine.
Today, we have made such a mess on this table, we actually used every single thing from
Make a mess on me.
Okay guys, so before I'm gonna conceal Kim, I'm gonna go ahead and
So we're contouring
do
first.
some contour on her.
Okay, so she already has her foundation. Okay, we're gonna give us 1 second. So first things first, we are going to be doing our foundation because she already had her foundation on. So we're going to be using the DERMABLEND Flawless Creator Multi-Use Liquid Pigments Foundation. You guys, I'm using the shade 25N, by the way, because honestly, you're gonna be shook. I felt this on my hand and I was literally blown away with the coverage and the consistency of it. It's just like that. It's literally just with how stunning it is. So this bad boy is oil-free, full coverage. Oh my gosh. This foundation is really just that bitch. Like, it really just is. I'm not kidding you guys when I say it feels like literally nothing is on my skin. It literally feels like that. There's nothing on this skin, honey, other than this full coverage sickeningness. But truly, it feels so lightweight. There's actually one Allure's Best of Beauty in 2018, which is like kind of sickening. And as you guys can see, because it is so lightweight, it doesn't get kicky on the skin, which I live. So we're just gonna do another little droplet on this side, and then we're gonna go right back into Miss Kim and Mario. It literally feels so incredible. It's hard to describe because I've never felt a foundation like this that's this lightweight. I'm not kidding you guys. Like, it literally feels like there's nothing on your skin. Okay, let's pull some down the neck a little bit just to match the color a little bit. And the dry down is really nice. It gives you like a really nice satin natural finish, but it's full coverage, but still like gives you like this really pretty luminescence to the skin. Is that even a word, luminescence? I doubt now. Yo, what the heck? This is really pretty. Holy shit, holy fuck. I just got a haircut yesterday, which is why my little baby hairs and everything is kind of crazy. Forgive me. Okay, foundation is on. Let's go back to daddy. So he's using a contour cream. I'm gonna be taking
Contour stick.
a contour cream as well. Where's he putting it? Okay. Oh wow, he's putting it. Oh, everywhere.
I like to put a little bit of the contour stick on my hand as well. and I like to dip my sponge into it.
Okay. We're gonna be taking the Quick Fix Concealer by DERMABLEND. This is in the shade 65 Warm. This is like a really warm concealer shade, as you can see. Oh wow, pigment. And we're gonna just do around the edges just like Mario did. Just a little bit of stickiness right there. So we're warming up the skin, like Kim said. We don't even need to put it down here because honestly, my facial hair acts as a contour. That's like, guys get away with that and I live. Okay, so he says that he put it on the back of his hand and then he used it to blend in like this. The contoury bronzy shade. Whoa. And I'm just taking the side of the sponge. Holy shit! He does like these motions that are like...
You guys, the force in which he blends, I wish that's what I could do.
How hard?
That's where the term beating a face comes from.
Yeah, I could tell.
Oh my god, beat me! Wow, I'm creamy. Yo, this blends out like effortlessly, like truly it does. Just like he said, we're warming up the skin to prepare us for that really bright under eye. That's what he said. Dude, it really like gives you such a natural What? I don't do this. I don't cream contour. This is not my thing. Okay, concealer, peach undertone.
Use the peach just directly over where she has really dark under eye circles, and that's gonna help
Clock at the house.
to balance out
My
Clock it.
goodness.
the darkness.
Okay, darkness. Okay, we have concealer too, DERMABLEND and the shade Natural, and it's a peachier undertone. I'm gonna go ahead and put that closest to where the darkness is, and that for me is right up in this piece right there. Taking that concealer, and then what does he do?
We have 2 new brushes that
She's using
are
a brush.
launching with the kit.
Great to apply the concealer. I'm gonna take a sponge and blend it.
It's going really fast. Okay, when we're applying it with this, oh my gosh, this really like, okay. Making a difference here. Cool. Oh my god, have you guys ever seen that video? I'm a mother making a difference.
That's how you talk to your mother. Where did you get vodka?
It is iconic. Okay, I never use brushes for this. This is so weird. Can I snatch this nose? We really want a bright under eye. That's a Mario and Kim said. That's what we're gonna do. So we're taking that concealer. It is gorgeous. Can I just add a little bit right there too? To make it look like I just popped out that chin a little. Don't yell at me, Mario. Or do. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and blend that out with the beauty sponge. And we really want a bright white under eye, just like he said. Yo, okay, this is literally like working. You guys. Okay, next.
Just to add some highlight, apply it right here.
He put it on the chin too. Oh my god.
Highlighted.
Okay, wait, he put it in other spots, so I can put it in other spots. He put it on the forehead a little bit. Down the nose. Right here. Just add a little bit more for safe measure.
Okay, now this shade is lighter than the number 7. And I'm just gonna apply some of this.
Okay, so since this shade is literally already so light for me, we don't need another
Since
color.
I typically don't use eyeliner, let
I'm
me
looking.
the brush, the concealer side. So now that we've done step 1, which was conceal, now we're gonna go ahead to step 2, which is bake.
Bake under eye concealer with loose powder. This is what I was most excited for, you guys. Okay, is the DERMABLEND Illuminating Banana Powder. This is that girl. This is that girl. Spit on me. Okay, guys, so this is the setting powder we're gonna be using underneath the eyes. We're gonna place it right here, all throughout the highlighty spots. We're going to bake like we've never baked before, like Betty Crocker is shaking, honey. You guys, this is a universal shade. It's not gonna be ashy on anyone's skin tone. And it gives you a warm, luminous finish that's not like too matte and by any way, shape, or form. And it's said to set makeup up to 16 hours of wear. So we're just gonna go ahead and bake those areas. Yo, I'm looking hella illuminated. And you guys can buy this powder, by the way, with the link in my bio. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the link down below. And you guys can go ahead and purchase this Gorga powder.
Baking is like my favorite part.
Me too.
So now that I have baked, I'm gonna go ahead now and just brush away the powder.
Okay, brushing it away, brushing it away. He's using like his tiny ass little brush.
So now that we've completed step 1 and 2, which is conceal and
It
bake,
is luminous.
we're gonna go ahead now with step number 3, which is brighten.
Okay, well, since this is literally luminous, I don't need to brighten at all because it literally brightens everything for me. You guys, this literally melts into your skin. Like, I didn't really have to blend much of it away because it literally melted into my skin. Wait, it's everything. I want to bake again. I'm just gonna put it underneath the eyes right here just to focus the lightness right there. I just really like a bright under eye, so I'm gonna leave it setting for a little bit longer. Okay, so now he's taking a cool toned powder. All right. We can do that. We're gonna take a cool toned powder and we're gonna go ahead and use a fluffy brush to do that. We're gonna take this fluffy brush and a cool toned powder. I'm gonna go over the bronzy spots, or basically the spots I put like the darker concealer. I'm gonna try to do my fingers like him. Holy shit. Yep, that's getting somewhere right there. I'm just gonna go ahead and bake while this is happening. You guys, bronzer? Okay, it's literally crazy how much more reinforced the bronzer looks when you do the cream underneath it. Like, obviously I knew that. I've done cream contouring before. It's just not my favorite thing ever, but it is quite baffling to see the crazy difference. So we're gonna go ahead and let that bake at 350 degrees and we'll be back soon. What nose? I don't see one. Okay, sorry, I had to switch out my shirt because honestly, I sweat through my last one. So that's really, you know, TMI. But we're gonna go ahead and blend away the banana powder now. You guys, okay, this is crazy. This banana powder is so freaking brightening. It's shocking. Like, I barely even have to blend anything away because it sinks into the skin so nicely and just really blends in so well. Like, honestly, it really, really does. I've used it before, but it's like, damn. You know when you like use something and like you haven't used it in a while, so you use it again and you're like, why don't I use this more often? That's how I'm feeling right now. I feel very Kim K, but way less wealthy. That's basically it for the face part. Like this contour and highlighted. Contour and highlighted like a Kardashian, like Kimmy. Wow. And that is it, you guys. That's it for today's face. I can honestly definitely tell a difference between this and my normal base routine because honestly, I never do like a cream base underneath then setting it with a darker powder like for my bronzer or anything. And I can definitely tell it almost looks like it's just has more dimension, if that makes any sense. Like it just looks deeper. And I bet it would photograph so much nicer than my normal ass base routine because sometimes when I photograph my normal routine, I'm just like, you know, we've had hard days. We've gone through things. It's been a tough month. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys had fun watching me following along Mario and Kim's highlight and contour routine on the skin. It's snatched because it's like subtle, but it's not subtle. It's like really intense, but subtle at the same time. I can't explain. And huge shout out again to DERMABLEND for partnering with me in today's video. Thank you guys so much. You guys are incredible and so sweet. And I love your guys' products. The foundation is literally incredible. The powder is incredible. And honestly, if you guys have ever wanted to try DERMABLEND, check them out. This is like a funny side story. The first thing I ever saw from DERMABLEND, I remember they had a model covering up their vitiligo, and that just like stuck out with me so much because I have vitiligo, and DERMABLEND is so great at focusing on their skin products and their bases and coming up with high pigmented quality products, and I really, really like that about them. I love you guys over at DERMABLEND. You guys are wonderful. Hope you guys had fun watching this. I had so much fun creating it. Thank you so much to Mario and Kim for being flawless teachers. Have a great night, whatever you guys. Do not forget to check out the banana illuminating powder. The link will be down below. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Bye. I love you. That was the banana illuminating powder. Let's illuminate this neck, bitch. Oh, that's sick. That's sick. Am I in focus or not? What the heck is this? Espérame, suave, espérame. See, it's a fucking